Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well and also watching our videos. So today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to create a case studies in call centers. Before moving to our video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find 250 plus videos on MS Excel, Six Sigma certification trainers, quality analyst, team leader, operation manager, associate manager, WFM analyst, and reporting, dashboard, Google Data Studio. Many more videos are there, guys, that will help you in cracking the interviews really easily. Let's start today's concept, that is on case studies in call center. So before moving to the video, let's see the definition of the case study here. So in call center, what we can see here is we have seen, like, or might be you guys have seen, like, the trainers or quality team or operation team go with the dip checks. They will also go with the calibrations. They will also have the hurdles. I would suggest including all this stuff in score improvement is really good benefit, but I would also request everyone to include case studies also in your activities with your agents, or else we can do this activity in between team managers, team leaders, and everyone. Okay, so let's see what is the case study in the call center. In the call center, case study is a detailed analysis of the specific customer interaction or the issue. In the case study, what we will do is we'll go with one or two cases and we will have a discussion there. In case study, our main aim is to understand the problem and identify the possible solution for it. It will also help in identifying the best practices which we can follow in the future for the similar situation. Yes, definitely. I would also request the case studies should be done on the basis of the errors what we have received, or else the feedbacks what we have received from the customers. Case studies can be shared with the agents, but I already told you guys, right? The case studies can be done in between the team, with the team leaders, with the trainers, quality analysts, with the management. It can be done in any way. In team lead, calibration, or quality, team can share the case study. Trainer can share the case studies with the teams, and they can publish their scores even on the basis of the observations what they have received. After having everything, what I personally suggest here is we should do the brainstorming on the case study what we have shared, so that let everyone be on the same page and they can understand the concept more sincerely. It's a kind of a calibration here, but in the case studies we will go with the situation based concern. Let's go with the next concept, that is on what is the purpose of case study here. The main purpose is to identify the problem, understanding the customer details, and also thinking more smartly and accurately on the tough cases. And what focus we will keep in case study? The focus to improve the agents or else the employees who are working in this particular process. Here the meaning of employees here is team leader, trainers, quality analyst, everyone. Okay, so I'm just considering those as an employee here, and also improving the skill issues. What methodology we can use? The methodology, and I will also have a discussion on the examples what kind of you can share in the end of our video, guys. You just stay connected, you will get all the information. Now methodology, you can share like a ticket ID, call recording, email, chat, conversation, or else problem identified to all the agents over email, and ask them like please share your observation. So in this way we can use the methodology, and we can also go with the case study with the help of the customer feedbacks, or else any loopholes we have identified, any updates we have seen, what actions we can take, we can go on the basis of that. And for the analysis we have received with the help of case studies, definitely we can identify the root cause of the error. We can also identify the skill and will issues of the agents. We can also improve the process knowledge, and we also identify the most effective course of action and improve the agent performance. Now what is the benefit? As we have already discussed all these points, so these are again the same points which are getting repeated, but in this particular slide we can see that the customer satisfaction can also improve, motivation and the team can also be improved, productivity, quality, utilization, everything can be improved with the help of a case studies here. And also I would suggest the case studies can need to be conducted at least 2 times in a week, so that everything like all the agents can understand the problems more easily. Having more case studies frequently can also help, but make sure it shouldn't come as an like burden for all the agents to only work on the case studies apart from their productions. Let's see examples how we can share. Training and quality team can share the example like call recording or anything, and they can share and ask agents to please share the observation in the form of Google. You can share a Google form and they can share the observation there. In between of team leader, quality and training team, they can share the case study on the email, and the rest, or everyone will share it. It's kind of a calibration, and everyone will share the observation. On the basis of that, a brainstorming or a discussion can occur. Case studies can be shared with the agents on email with the entire observation done. And okay, post done with everything, I would suggest we can share a case study in a form of a flyer, so that all the agents will get the information in more creative way. We can share a flow chart, even like if we get at this situation, you need to follow this particular situation and create a flow chart. You can also share the case study information in a I can say in a graphical way. You can share some images, and you can discuss the point there. So at the end, the case studies are really helpful, and that also need to be included in your day-to-day activities, guys. Still have any doubt, let me know. Definitely I will help you out, and we will see the more examples in upcoming days. Check out our playlist. You will find all the information with many of the concepts that will help in improving the process and the quality. Check out our Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page in order to get the more information on the upcoming vacancies. Still have any doubts? Share your feedbacks on comments. Don't miss to like, share, subscribe the channel. Have a great day.